In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create new automation in Airtable. To get started, open your Airtable base and take a moment to make sure you're in the correct workspace and table for the process you want to automate. Automations in Airtable are designed to help you save time by handling repetitive tasks automatically, so this is a great feature to use when you want actions to happen in the background without needing to do everything manually. Once you're inside your base, look toward the top area of the screen and click on Automation. This section is where Airtable keeps all of the tools related to setting up automatic workflows. If this is your first time using it, don't worry. Airtable is built to guide you through the process in a very visual and beginner-friendly way. After you click into the Automation section, click on Create New. This will begin the setup for a brand new automation. At this stage, Airtable is essentially preparing a workflow where one event will trigger another action. Even if you're not completely sure yet what kind of automation you want to build, this is the right place to start. Next, make your selection. Airtable may show you different automation options, templates, or starting points depending on your account and setup. Choose the option that best matches the task you want to automate. For example, this selection might relate to what should trigger the automation, or what should happen after the trigger occurs. The important thing here is to pick the option that aligns with your goal, so the automation behaves the way you expect. From there, follow the on-screen prompts. Airtable will walk you through each part of the setup, and this is where you'll define the details of your automation. Move through each screen carefully and make sure the information you choose is accurate. It's a good idea to read each prompt fully before clicking ahead, especially if you're connecting records, setting conditions, or choosing actions. As you complete the prompts, pay attention to any testing or confirmation options Airtable provides. These can help you verify that your automation is set up correctly before you rely on it in your workflow. Taking an extra moment here can prevent mistakes later and make sure everything runs smoothly. And that's it. Once you've gone through the prompts, you'll have created a new automation in Airtable. It's a simple process, but it can make a big difference in keeping your work organized and efficient.